Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about bass lessons on JamPlay. Now you can learn regular guitar or you can learn bass lessons. In this one I'm going to be specifically talking about bass. Okay, so you have the lessons up here. Here's the home button. The lessons, live, teachers, features, success, start lessons. And I'm just going to go through what they offer. So let's look at the lessons. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can go out to the same exact website and you can look at this at your leisure when you have more time. So I'm not going to take up a lot of your time and go through this verbatim, but I'm just going to go scroll through. They have beginners, styles, songs, artists, and they have a full HD with up to 5 angles, so you can see different angles of how the instructors are playing. So you can see first person, strum hand view, dialogue view, student view. They also have a responsive interface. Here's an example of one of the lessons. And then they have all the guitar teachers, the bass guitar teachers here listed with their bios and their experience. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. And these are all professional guitar players who have become teachers as well. Okay, so the membership features for JamPlay, you get interactive interactive tabs and notations. They're all video based. You can watch them as many times as you need to. There's no limit. You've got learning material. You've got slow down. Our new platform gives you the ability to slow down video playback from 10% up to 100%. Video bookmarks, so you can bookmark the video. And A/B looping, loop any section of a video anytime you need it. This also functions along with slow motion control to give you the ultimate control over your playback. That's pretty cool. So there's a lot of members. So JamPlay is one of the top online guitar lesson websites that you could join. And that's pretty much that part for lessons. For live, there's live video that's streamed. I just went through some of the teachers, the features, a little bit more about some of the testimonials from people that have already taken the lessons. You can sign up, you can join for as long as you want to. There's no obligation. You're not locked in for, X amount of months or anything like that before you can cancel if you decide it's not for you. So there it is. JamPlay, one of the top places to learn how to play bass guitar online. And you also have discounts for signing up. And again, the link is in the description of this video, and you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you.